Hey guys, what's up? It's Brooke Roberts from Prank Nation, and today I'm going to be blocking people. Enjoy. Hi.
What are you doing?
Just a construction site.
What are you talking about?
I'm just building a water fountain.
No.
My cones! I want to build a water fountain.
You're not building a water fountain here, mate.
Alright.
Go and build it at your mum's house.
What about Dad's?
Yeah, Dad's house is fine.
Grandfather's?
This is somewhere else, not on his property.
Can I build it in the car park?
No.
Fair
Can
enough.
you get the police? Where's your car?
Yeah, hang on.
Right, it's still able to come through?
Yeah, it's under construction. Can you wait about 2 hours?
No worries.
Excuse me. There's a construction site here, so you just have to wait maybe an hour.
Oh, wow, I'm not waiting here for an hour.
What was that?
I'm not waiting here for an hour, sorry.
I just gotta install a crane. So
Okay,
there's.
I'm not going to wait here for an hour, we'll go south.
Alright, okay. Yeah, I'm just installing a crane.
Yeah.
So it might be a couple of hours until this is free. See that crane? We're taking it down.
You're blocking my drive-through.
It might be out for a couple of hours. Is that alright?
No, it's not all right. You're stopping my business. Where's the permission?
Just move that while I move paper.
Yeah, I'm just installing an aquarium. I'm just installing an aquarium.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm just going to drive out that way.
Yeah.
You're in the way.
I just need to test the concrete.
So why did you wait till I parked?
Sorry, this is under construction. This area. I'm building a fountain. Do you reckon you could wait maybe like 20 minutes? Yeah, you're gonna have to maybe wait 20 minutes. I'm sorry.
I'll reverse.
What was that?
I'll reverse.
You have to put a cone at the back of your car as well. So you cool with that? I'm building a skyscraper.
Good luck.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. No, it's cool.
Yeah. I'm just doing a construction site building a fountain. Is that alright?
So I can't go through.
Can you wait about an hour?
To go through to there?
Yeah.
Thanks. Are you going to see why it's making a...
Huh?
Are you going to check why the white motor on there?
Oh no, I'm just building a big fountain.
Ah, okay.
Gee, do you mind just standing in the middle for a minute? I just need to test the level. Maybe just turn that way. Is that solid?
Yeah.
Can I borrow that for a minute? Can I borrow that? If you can just stay there for maybe 2 hours.
Nah, I think you have to stand here for 2 hours.